What is Java? Java is a popular programming language used for developing a wide range of applications, from web applications to desktop software, mobile apps, and games. It was first introduced in 1995 by Sun Microsystems and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. The language is designed to be platform independent, meaning that it can run on any system regardless of the operating system or hardware. This is achieved by compiling Java code into an intermediate bytecode, which can be executed on any system with a Java Virtual Machine (JVM) installed. The JVM is an essential component of the Java runtime environment, which provides the necessary libraries and tools for running and developing Java applications. Java features. Java is known for its simplicity, portability, and security features. Some of the key features of Java include object-oriented programming. Java is an object-oriented language, meaning that it focuses on the use of objects to represent data and behavior. This makes it easier to write and maintain code, as objects can be reused and shared across different parts of the application. Garbage collection. Java has an automatic garbage collection mechanism that helps to manage memory usage and prevent memory leaks. This ensures that the application runs smoothly and efficiently, without consuming too much system resources. Exception handling. Java provides a robust system for handling exceptions, which helps to identify and handle errors in the application. This improves the reliability and stability of the application, and makes it easier to debug and maintain. Platform independence. Java is designed to be platform independent, which means that it can run on any system with a JVM installed. This allows developers to write code once and run it on any system, without having to worry about compatibility issues or system dependencies. Security. Java has several built-in security features, such as code signing, sandboxing, and security managers, which help to protect the application and its users from malicious code and attacks. Java tools and frameworks. Java has a large ecosystem of tools and frameworks that help to simplify and speed up the development process. Some of the most popular tools and frameworks for Java development include Eclipse. Eclipse is an open-source integrated development environment, IDE, for Java development. It provides a wide range of features and tools for code editing, debugging, and testing, as well as support for other programming languages and platforms. Spring. Spring is a popular framework for building enterprise applications in Java. It provides a set of libraries and tools for building web applications, microservices, and other types of enterprise software. Hibernate. Hibernate is an object relational mapping (ORM) framework for Java. It provides a way to map Java objects to database tables, and handles the interaction between the application and the database. Maven. Maven is a build automation tool for Java projects. It provides a way to manage project dependencies, build and package the application, and automate the testing and deployment process. Java applications. Java is used for developing a wide range of applications, from simple command line utilities to complex enterprise systems. Some of the most common types of Java applications include web applications. Java is widely used for building web applications, using frameworks such as Spring or Struts. These applications can range from simple websites to complex e-commerce systems, social media platforms, and enterprise portals. Mobile apps. Java is used for developing mobile apps for Android, which is the most widely used mobile operating system in the world. Android uses a variant of the Java programming language, called Android Java. Desktop software. Java can be used for developing desktop software, such as Office applications, media players, and games. The Java FX framework provides a way to build rich, interactive user interfaces for desktop applications. Enterprise systems. Java is often used for building enterprise systems, such as customer relationship management, CRM, systems, enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, and supply chain management, SCM, systems. These applications typically have complex requirements, such as high scalability, reliability, and security, and Java's robust features make it a popular choice for these types of applications. Games. Java is also used for developing games, both desktop and mobile. The libgdx framework provides a way to build cross-platform games using Java. Java career opportunities. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and there is a high demand for skilled Java developers. Some of the most common career opportunities for Java developers include Java developer. Java developers are responsible for designing and implementing Java applications, writing code, and testing and debugging the application. They may also be involved in designing the user interface, integrating the application with other systems, and documenting the code. Java architect. Java architects are responsible for designing the overall architecture of a Java application, including the software design, system requirements, and technical specifications. They may also be involved in selecting the technology stack, managing the development team, and overseeing the implementation of the application. Java Consultant. Java consultants provide expert advice and guidance to organizations on Java development, architecture, and best practices. They may be involved in designing and implementing Java applications, training developers, and troubleshooting technical issues. Java Project Manager. Java project managers are responsible for overseeing the development of Java applications, managing the project schedule, and ensuring that the application meets the business requirements. They may also be involved in budgeting, resource allocation, and risk management. Conclusion. Java is a popular programming language used for developing a wide range of applications, from web applications to mobile apps, games, and enterprise systems. Its simplicity, portability, and security features make it a popular choice for developers and organizations, and its large ecosystem of tools and frameworks help to simplify and speed up the development process. With a high demand for skilled Java developers, there are many career opportunities in the field of Java development.